Okay, let's dive into this contrast. Think about the standard AI tools that most people are using right now. You know how it goes. You open a tab, type a prompt, get your answer. But the second you close that tab, the intelligence completely stops. It literally just sits there waiting for your next instruction. But AI agents, well, that is a massive paradigm shift. They don't wait around. They run 24/7, entirely autonomously. They're executing complex, multi-step workflows in the background. We are shifting from an AI that just talks to you to an unstoppable, always-on AI that actually takes action.
And the financial stakes here are absolutely thrilling. Just listen to this quote from Canadian entrepreneur Salim Ismail. The next trillion-dollar company will have 40 to 50 employees, probably 5. I mean, wow. Think about the massive financial leverage packed into that one sentence. With a capable team of AI agents, the output of an entire corporate department can now literally be wielded by a tiny team of 5 people. Or honestly, even just a single, highly focused individual. Section 1, the AI automation era. Let's talk about taming that digital chaos. Every morning, millions of us wake up completely overwhelmed by the demands of our businesses or careers. But just stepping away from the internet isn't the solution. The solution is building a system to tame it. To understand where we're at, we kind of need to look at how we got here. Back in 1983, there was this primitive system called Butler in a Box. And yeah, it was exactly as clunky as it sounds. But it let people control their lights with their voice. Fast forward to 2008, and pop culture gives us the ultimate sci-fi dream, Iron Man's Jarvis. Tech giants naturally chased that dream, giving us Siri in 2011 and Google Assistant in 2016. But the massive, critical jump is happening right now as we approach 2026. We are moving from reactive voice assistants to proactive, autonomous AI agents. That decades-long progression, it has finally arrived. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what's on the line right now. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang famously said, "You're not going to lose your job to AI, you're going to lose it to somebody who uses AI." It's a huge wake-up call. The future of wealth and success belongs firmly to the builders, the people who deploy these systems to do the heavy lifting, not the ones who just sit back and merely observe the tech from the sidelines. Section 2, your 24/7 digital employee, an entity that works while you sleep. To really harness his power, you've got to undergo a complete mindset shift. Stop treating your AI like a glorified search engine where you just go to ask questions. Instead, start treating it as a highly capable, tireless digital employee, one that's grinding away while you're at the gym or spending time with family. But you might be wondering, how do you keep a digital employee awake when you close your laptop? Well, that brings us to the secret sauce, a virtual private server, or VPS. A VPS is basically just a remote, rented space in the cloud that runs a computer 24/7. See, if you install an AI on your personal computer, it turns off when your computer turns off. Plus, it's a huge security risk. A VPS solves all of that. It protects your personal data by keeping the AI in a secure sandbox, and it keeps your digital workforce alive around the clock. Section 3, building the AI agent. And the best part? Absolutely no coding required. Let's move to Joti and see how this builds out, because you might be thinking this sounds incredibly complex. I promise you, you do not need a computer science degree for this. The tools have evolved into 3 surprisingly accessible steps. Step 1, rent that virtual server we just talked about. That's your secure base of operations. Step 2, install an open source AI platform. A lot of hosting services today have one-click deployments, which means the software literally sets itself up in seconds. You don't have to write a single line of code. And step 3, connect your newly minted AI to a messaging app like Telegram, just by pasting in a bot token. And boom, just like that, you have a direct, private chat line to a 24/7 server-based brain. Section 4, reclaiming your free time. It's time to automate those daily tasks. Now, before we even get into making money, we have to talk about how this hands you back your life. Your AI agent acts like an elite executive assistant. It seamlessly turns all those chaotic, annoying administrative tasks into automated background noise. Imagine waking up and at exactly 5:57 a.m., your agent automatically texts you your daily motivation. Need to schedule a meeting? Just tell your agent in Telegram, "Hey, add a 60-minute meeting with Ayush on April 6th at 5 p.m. And it goes right into your Google Calendar and does it. Got a jumble of raw ideas? The agent processes them into beautifully formatted Google Sheets. You are literally commanding a productivity empire right from your pocket. Section 5, creating automated income. We're deploying 24/7 sales and service. Now, what's really interesting about this is the sheer business potential it represents. Because managing your calendar is just scratching the surface. We are crossing the bridge from saving time to actually generating revenue. Imagine a potential client messaging your business page in the middle of the night. Instead of that lead going cold, your custom lead qualification agent instantly replies. It says something like, "Hi, I'm Ved. Are you a creator or business owner? Here's your custom booking link." It dynamically asks questions, qualifies the prospect, summarizes what they need, and hands over payment links. It is actively closing sales while you are completely offline. The financial results of this kind of automation are honestly staggering. Think about this number, $8,500. According to our sources, an entrepreneur named Robbie Hostin built a single AI agent, gave it a tiny budget, and named it Ron. He just told Ron to scour TikTok comments for business opportunities, craft service offers, and manage a freelance gig on Fiverr. In just its first month, this single automated agent generated $8,500 in revenue. And the crazy part? $6,000 of that was pure profit. And if you want to see what happens when you scale this concept up, consider the number 16. Entrepreneur Banu Teja took this to the absolute next level to scale his platform, SiteGPT. He didn't just build one agent. He employed a highly specialized communicating team of exactly 16 AI agents. He set up a manager agent that delegates tasks to a developer agent, a customer service agent, a content writer, and an email marketer. They literally converse with each other to execute operations 365 days a year. Section 6, the builder's advantage. It is time to architect the future. The main takeaway here is don't just use an AI chatbot to write a quick email. Become an architect. Think about it. Every local business, creator, and agency out there is drowning in unread messages and repetitive busy work. You can be the one to fix that for them. You can design automated message workflows so local businesses never miss a lead again. You can structure complex operational pipelines, deploy specialized multi-agent teams for startups, or offer high-ticket AI system consulting. Think of the internet boom back in 1999 or the social media explosion in 2007. We are standing at the exact same starting line of a historic gold rush right now. So, the crucial point is this: the automation revolution, it isn't coming. It's already here, and it is completely reshaping how wealth and time are managed. Fast forward to 2026. Will you be grinding away, working for the algorithm, or will you ensure the algorithm is working for you? The tools are ready, the blueprint is clear, and the choice is yours. Thanks for diving into this explainer with me, and I'll catch you in the next one.